Hello everyone, I'm Sumit Badda. I teach physics in Government Model Senior Secondary School for Boys, Gurdaspur. Today I'm here to share my thoughts about Mother Nature. Mother Nature, who has given birth to us, in fact, given birth to all life on earth. And she has been here for billions and billions of years now. In fact, if we do the exact calculations, 22,500 times more than you and I have been here on this earth. She is taking care of all of us, providing us with everything from air to food to water. But we are not taking care of Mother Nature. We are being harsh. We are not taking care of our environment. If we want Mother Nature to be kind to us always, then we should also be kind to her. Otherwise, if nature goes awry, if it becomes harsh, our lives get disturbed. Now, as you all know about the recent floods in Dharamshala, what happened there? Why was suddenly Dharamshala flooded? Not because it rains there every year. In fact, it is the place where it rains the second highest in the whole world. But this year what happened? It suddenly got flooded. Why? There is a natural drain. That was one natural drain over there which had been carved out by water itself over the centuries. That is a natural system. Water flows through it and drains out. That's why it's called a drain. But what did people do? People encroached upon the drain, kept building buildings, kept making it narrower, and slowly what happened? It became so narrow that now this time there was a cloud burst and huge rainfall, and all that water which should have been going out through the drain, which should be draining out, instead overflowed out of the drain, causing havoc. So that is one example, very recent. It happened in Kedarnath also a few years back now, and total havoc. Only one temple was left standing. The others were completely destroyed. That is because we are playing with the environment. When we will play with the environment, it will reciprocate, right? I'm here standing amongst nature, so maybe you can hear some birds and all around me, maybe. So that's what I want to say basically. Now, this time in Canada, what happened? Can you imagine? Canada is so much near to the North Pole. It should be cold there actually. But this time the temperatures in Lytton, that's a very small town, in British Columbia, had temperature of 49.8 degrees on certain days. That is almost 50 degrees. Not happened in India. Where? Near the North Pole. Why? Because they were tampering with Mother Nature. Over there, they have been cutting forests. They have been using air conditioners. They have been using everything which can spoil the environment, Everything is automatic. All the chlorofluorocarbons are being released into the atmosphere, depleting the ozone layer very quickly and causing holes in it, making the temperatures rise. And a town in Canada, which is supposed to be a very cold country, had a temperature of 49.8 degrees and it was burnt down completely. Can you imagine? It's going to take 2 years to build that town now, according to experts. It was in the papers, it was all over the news. So, this is what happens when we tamper with Mother Nature. Now, previously they used to dig just a small well and water used to come out. We used to have hand pumps, clear water. Now we have to go dig submersible pumps, go deep down into the earth, and only then water comes up. This is because we are tampering with nature at every step of the way. Every step of the way. Children, it is your responsibility. This is going to be your world tomorrow. You will have to take care of this world. It's your world basically now. So that you are our children. We are trying to take care of it for you. And you will have to take care of it for your children. And this is how it will go. I hope you understand my point and like it, and try to be kind to nature, try not to tamper with the environment, and basically take care of nature so that it can take care of you. Have a nice day, everyone.